to 90mm of stands race. I'll give it a wipe down afterwards. So I'm going to put that 80 in. So I've got 60 in already. This is really handy, saves pouring it. That's it, 80mm in. Let the fluid go towards the bottom, and then finish off at the valve. Usually a bit more space. Will it go by hand? I've got a handy little tool if it doesn't. Let's see if I can macho. I could, but it's going to take ages. Well, maybe I can. So here's a handy little tool. Stick that on there. Nearly on. We're on. So this tool, I can't remember what it's called, but call stop, do it. Says on it, can't remember. Tyre monkey or tyre something or other. Right, okay, so need to put the valve back in. Forgot about that, the valve was blocked. I could have just put that in before I started the video. Anyway, it does happen sometimes, valve's blocked with the sealant, so I took that off, turned it up again, took that off, cleaned it out on the inside as well. So now it should be ready to go. So this toe peak dual blow booster is really good. So I'm hoping this is going to look really impressive and go up first time. So I've loosened that up. I've pre-charged it. Here we go. Be amazed. Oh no. Okay, so let's drop the charge down to 60. I just topped it up to just almost 70. This will take 72, and then that's the job done. 70 psi. Who said this was